Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the magnifier so it's available when you need it. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then turn Magnifier on. This activates the app and camera integration. Once done, add Magnifier to Control Center so you can open it instantly with a swipe and a tap. Make sure the camera permission is granted because Magnifier uses live video to magnify. If you prefer quick access without home or side button presses, this setup puts Magnifier one swipe away. Now you'll learn how to get a clear, usable view. Open Magnifier and use the zoom slider to increase magnification. Move slowly because high zoom causes blur at edges. Once you have zoom, tap filters to improve contrast or choose grayscale or yellow tint to reduce glare, and then lock exposure so brightness stays steady. You can freeze a frame to inspect details and pinch to pan around the frozen image. These controls let you read small text or inspect labels without moving the phone. Finish by fine-tuning and knowing what to do if something fails. Turn on the torch or increase screen brightness to reveal faint print. You can still use filters with the light on. If the camera feed stutters or the slider is unresponsive, close Magnifier and reopen it, then restart your phone if needed. That usually clears temporary camera or permission glitches. Make sure iOS is updated and only reset accessibility settings as a last resort because it restores multiple custom controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.